We still need a clarification to clear our confusion. And so I ask again, were we promised dams or dugouts? And will the allowances be restored or cut out? Accountability is all we seek at the moment, no matter where you can get it, whether from the green book or the delivery tracker. We know these are interesting times with negative signs, but violence is not what we seek. We are no more spectators but citizens. Your work rate determines your chance of power but not violence. So allow the will of the people to stand. Peace.
Okay. Ayele to Asharia. Cambon met the lecture that put man.
Okay.
See, this I like to Asharia the one. I want to hear it again. So for me, one can.
Nayan 2 hours so. Free SHS are now progressively free.
Okay.
Planting for food and jobs are now sada. Yellow are now Okada. Double track are now double salary. Major infrastructure are now social intervention.
Okay.
YEA are now NAFCO. Papa Guinea fowls no are now Achim excavators. We deserve to know their whereabouts. Okay. We still need a clarification to clear our
also, Chomaya, you've blend Joe Mahama, Nana Adu,
yeah,
Bo promises, Ka blend in San Chanimano, Kali Bohara, Bahokas on Somba.
Exactly.
Great piece there. And that's okay. Who is ambitious?
Tu l'as dans un gros son par exemple, Kazan pour son gentil, donc nous va baisser un peu. Ambitious, the point near a stage name. But in real name, Abdul Moment Abdul Hakim.
Abdul Moment
Abdul Hakim. So Abdul Hakim, you're a professional teacher.
I'm distribution on the
Our
Hakim.
So you're a professional teacher. Can you blogger? Can you speaking?
Oh, I don't need a blogger.
Yeah.
Aside my
Trust News Far.
Trust
News Far.
But it's like the it's not active. Very active.
Very active.
Kaula high command
not color like sites.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the channel like you someone on page miles or can share it to groups and stuff. But it's also very active. You know, I keep Facebook and don't do motion. Yeah. So spoken word artist, a teacher, a blogger, and a whole lot.
A writer.
A
writer.
A writer. I'm even an author. Actually, instead of a book share.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kaya attempt to bomb castle as this one do a shama, I will born Abdul Hakim. So, Manet had the banana, the banana. So I get that 100% castle means it to Nipam Shama. I attempt the Bonson.
Well, I'm a foundation member.
Foundation member. A shop generally, they had this foundation yet. How be yourself, you wouldn't like it. It's the notion is that, yeah, out there, the North woman. It's like the Silmisil is different from Akuya, North comes all year. But when you speak, you don't sound like someone who is coming from here.
So that tells you that foundation without dedication is nothing.
Okay.
Be build a foundation matter. She mama determined, dedicated. You also can sound ambitious than mama.
Yeah, that's to succeed, but you want to succeed. Like me, come say, why? Kazan ambitious man, Tabawaka for answer, because Silmisile wedding, but
yeah,
career the man like a yellow like Mumborno Zubu. Come at Hawaii as it to succeed.
Yeah,
then you shambala. Kazan Tama, yeah, Bumbala, you are.
That pushing me to really Mama Jago. The Mela Melbanson in so many folds.
Okay.
So, and every day I'm working on myself to grow, like Umborno
Azupa.
So, can you really come on? The two you share them and push them all the time. Because Jagon Bishama to be an Catapa Mala command. Jaguma trying to pass Sahashel. Can I give him a command of Kuyatin that's way to Adam Bachan, Yaman Zero Halasham. Like, do not make that kind of motivation. Come on, I give him up. Like, come on, Shabjan and push her. So, my Yama come on. In the Lagu Martin, I didn't come on. Can you cut my friend? I don't want to be not. the name should push me and tell me that no, this is why you picked this name and you should keep moving.
And so you picked poetry. Does it pay? Do you have?
Well, when a poetry would be, yeah.
So why? Bozo kind of you are.
And the thing is, Mammy, be shark and chillable. Be shark and chillable. Cut is in here. Like, you have to strive hard, you have to work hard before Kasweman to you. So, poetry means that young one. Maybe the Tonya Latinian Unkurgil, Karina Bazanka Shafsa Fan. And Amila Kat, you didn't check and bear Namanyala. Jago Punatazamala Tumbona to contribute in a way to the development of the society.
Okay.
Agamala Ambona Zambe Sharp Tasson, Kabjahuma Champo, Beka Jahuma Lewe. So, Mamik Banoku Yulma, poetry mark and Banuto Zam, voice pie. Lewe Jashan.
Okay, that's okay. The loans are very young apart. So then check out to be poetry because I know about Bashan, I don't come upon an important answer the key. It's all about supreme.
Yeah,
it's the industry one where I can supreme. You won't do Akutu number shout. I can't tell you to do. People want Niroko wanted to let them know. Then you shall better. So, Bole cheka ara yina with this bene. Nabo introduce a quick kind of improve as Ankbala don't want to 4 more or no more. So 4 more for another.
Yeah, 4 more for another. Yeah, 4 more or no more.
So Bosoka will I can attack a very great piece.
Well, Manuk started poetry and start to make based on trending issues.
Oh, okay.
Me the natural can start to learn regular share. That permitting a Karimala commander for wanna spoken word be it to a Tamasma. The Nadiv,
what did that man of you remember?
The Nadiv attention shed tomboy. And time that could no longer want to catch you from back near a bombilla. After Muna Niru Pangina with great pieces, Caragel Pambat, and the lady Subabian number gifted. Yeah, over Pando. Yeah. So, can you know, like, the pieces are great, but the volume that, like, near back, come on, this area. The American tool for near attention, Canada. Let me start with those training issues. Come on, you can spoken word, can the title 4 more or no more. Maybe I just spoken word, but title the mama kunku, like, you want to listen to it. Kaya to abulegi biarni like for no liens yella and this year to abe or support la MPP now. Be what is he trying to say? So now I back cover my title my benil from the abulem the movement have an interest card spoken word. And the miracle motivating my cancelling yella. Mammy to politicians so 10 years was share kunya elections. The yet no more. Come make so many promises. Thing yet and the woman. Big chunk of popular promises, man. Kalankati you want to pull down the chunk of it. Come on, me Pazania, the mallet of Boisi. Come on, Dinanka, but promise to me shout. Come on, that Lana, Tobo, I think I know what. The mallet will not kill a lemon to vote to me. Tobo Boisi. Okay, to come on, Pazan is Azan. Come Boisma. In the young no wella. In the be finally. Don't want to let yes, even none don't want to need Bania. The Banin Pania. The Banin Pania, so the 2 million can I never go some cotton foot or I never some cut about the pair to put Dwella Calama. Okay, you get it. So that was just the inspiration. So conclude a picture about peace. I can't
but I hear it to share it. Taman and bundle. They don't follow development. That's my key word. We follow Taban guys, which is so Taban is now a deep pattern narrative. People will still grow up with that kind of mentality. She can't change it. Kaban know that's wrong. Think paths and like wrong. We should rather be good to ourselves because they were a very big one. So the chama na bona la push a chance pour nyamia it change is near den
spoken word.
My challenge near that.
The major challenge ma kunyala resources one. Na attention na.
Oh, wow.
Because resources ma can to produce work can you
Okay.
so bien my pieces ma alright. But what name oka manager for me for instance I don't have any manager. Man who
You chat to work at the guy you go let you.
That's the chat record like nini uba kudi and financial asset.
Wow.
So resources ma is one. And aside resources ma the challenge na attention ma. Ndefan ya nirma ni na banize nchang yetu atama.
So then check on the boy about challenges man and me na attention man. And then can put it to you that yeah, why not here that bad? Then I go somewhere.
I yes your mother then. The banner I am the beginning. And then I plan a piece of the banner. But I really the man like the major challenge. Never not could understand la spoken word.
Oh wow.
Come out, I had the music industry. The likes of Kwame Yuginwa, Kidi Nama, they do songs in that band. And most of the time, we got to feel the Gariban, the young men. Meanwhile, they are speaking our native language. So the Kunya resources market. And the band mean when Bishama. The band banana anyhow. I know spoken with can you that band. Shazana Hansel song as Azotala the share. God will crack us of the day.
No, I'm not good. How Bishop. The choirs of the shop. So
with time, I'll come out with something.
You could do translate it in some song in English one.
But translation beneficial man. I told the power share.
Great. Somebody can be translated. Let us 3 o'clock, 1 hour late. I'm not late to us, so somebody like the 2 to feel up. But I don't know late. I'm yes, and up here you will a new beginning. Well, beginning, a new beginning of what?
A new beginning, Maya. The idea from Yala. You know, when a new year is coming, come out this naka you palekana. So come on, la so piele.
Okay.
So come. And Termela come on. The Zaku Dimital Ayama and Chamavia. To the Caricana Yama, Carabacham, Carabel, to the
2020 down.
Come out 2020. To 2020 in Lake Ujirla. Because a lot of things happen. Ben Yapamdan and Ayaman. So, when Mopuni, my yalla bencha than previous year. Ne young man a lehisha. Minilema, the man a yaman and a children like the Nasula Siema in a way. But along the line, because the Nakuchilgama, along the line, the lines until last yaman that Bishop Baker no West the last yama be don't put shall improve her teacher. Because last year, we are all happy that the new year came.
Sure.
But Karchantoni, then Chantoni, Kayat Chambea. There are Chantishawa, Chantishawa. Exactly. Shabda will need for 50-50. Like, it was okay, there are no bad, the best soon. The minute from that, we should never reach. So, come on, Paya to important journey, what should we expect? Well, I'm now. The Tunatinia. The captain and Suya, tell me Jan, so tell me Jan, on Catens again. Okay, Chance on Jan now. Tell you later, you are more
the Japan because somebody can come on 2 minutes. Sports no money piano. So you will be a bit people. So she can be this point. Captain Wumley, T. Wumley, Tandla Chapson. Carbon dioxide, the feel about because she had a Nadia Bambaru. So teacher me to Kalama.
I am the poet who speak about the unseen to inspire my generation.
This is a new beginning. Dawn has suddenly turned today, chasing away all particles of darkness to awaken me from my slumber. At this expensive hour, with my pen in motion to paint the misfortunes of the previous year, it was already an early glorious morning. Weep with a joyous beginning by the cool breeze of the nearby trees.
And not another day with a faking smile I embrace the beauty of a new bright sunrise, giving rise to a new graceful and glorious dawn, signaling a new year of great fortunes and prosperity is born. But wait, is it really going to be a sweet new year or one that will turn out to be sour, just like the previous year that has visited us with its ugly power? I may be pleased with my revelation, but stories of the past still cast a shadow of doubt on my realization. Now I'm left with a mixed feeling and a moment of confusion. The best beginning of our lives may sometimes end in sorrow, but even on our darkest days, the sun will still shine tomorrow. Such was the tragedy and mystery of 2020. For some people, it wasn't that bad, so it was 50-50. But for the majority of us and the entire world, it was the worst in history. We were carried away by sentiment, and that landed us in resentment. A year that was promised to make our dreams come true left us in the end with no breakthrough. We were faced with serious crises, various waves of accidents, political disputes, untimely deaths, and coronavirus cases were on the rises. Still fresh in our minds that we can't resist being afraid because of this economic crisis. It is so pathetic to compile the stories of this tragic year in the books of history. Even more hurting when generations unborn try to comprehend the mystery, and more complicated to understand how death has ended lives untimely. Look at the sudden demise of His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings, former and longest-serving President of the Republic of Ghana, a brave man and a soldier for that matter. Not forgetting Mr. Sir John, who was the former General Secretary of the NPP, and some other prominent celebrities, all got drawn in the pool of untimely death. They left us when their services were still needed, while ordinary people like you and I are given a new beginning, a new year and a new opportunity. Who else to praise than the Most High of the university? He that commands the seven universe and everything that exists in the world. He that has the power to shake the entire world with a deadly disease, so deadly that we were completely overwhelmed by its gloom and breeze. Citizens not even allowed to cough or sneeze. Family ties broken, living relationships at ease. Shaking hands or hugging our loved ones was forbidden. Our palms became jealous because they were abandoned for our elbows. Our faces were marked like Batman. At every meeting or public gathering, we couldn't even sit face to face. We were forced to observe some distance to prevent the virus from showing its ugly face, because it cares less about your race. Schools were closed down and students were lonely, so scared of the virus that we cannot even study. Workers always at home like every day was the 1st of May. Observing case counts was the norm each and every day. Quarantine became our new Valentine. Celebrities and extroverts all indoors because government has drawn the line. Boredom became so normal that everyone thinks it's fine. Use of sanitizers suddenly became the new crime. Our hands were being tied up, and it seems to me the only solution was death. Many were deceased because of this disease. Our bodies were shivering with a bunch of crazy thoughts. But like our people say, time is always the greatest healer. Despite all the tragic happenings of 2020 that claims numerous lives, you and I survived, not by our power or might, rather by the might and power of our Maker. 2020 was not bad after all, because we have learned that God is indeed above all. Now it's time for a new beginning, and I welcome you to a new year, our year of grace and glory. But that is not to call for celebration with rhymes, rather to be thankful and pray a million times. Oh Lord of the merciful, we have admitted that your power is the mightier. Destroy every past that made us cry, and wipe our soulful tears that never dry. Lead us in our quest for glory, and glory shall be given unto your name. Ambitious the poet.
Wow. Fuhambel.
Aba.
Nazo ka fuhambe ka la sabere mama. Nazo. Nyawata Shamazan, Kato boxer in this 5 minutes poem. So I yell now, will any response, man?
Oh, the response is very great.
Wow.
Very, very great. And man, you look at football, radio, but at the point, man, radio not powerful. Yeah, no go push it.
And you're like a woman.
Exactly. So I think you want to shoot the video, and very soon it will be on my YouTube.
Oh, okay.
On Friday, changing the video, man.
So the next thing is just tell us, soy ball. Be if someone maybe over location, Carabona, Mashabia Bofi, the phone.
Yeah.
Will I come in on ya? And you will be soy ball. I work somewhere you're in Bongal.
So I'm going works. I'm to follow him on my social media handles. On Facebook, my Facebook account, and your Prince Yabu. Come my Facebook page. I mean, ambitious the point. So I'm to take my friend request, Prince Yabu. Anything I update there, and
okay.
They can like and page me ambitious the point. I'm equal for any occasion. You can contact me on my WhatsApp line, which is 024 78 70 888 024 78 70 888. So the kunaka abwala pisma bantu WhatsApp.
Great. Okay. So the final time before Katana is sit down to 6 minutes remember. Before come by Katana is
no, you're not gonna miss you.
The time you're embarrassed as well come by.
No, but I support everybody, but
as no man I support everybody. I support everybody, but because no copy me who I want. No castle someone between of the two mama castle fancy. I used to follow Makasio Pamba. But Bomboka, that's okay. So I'll ask you again for Katana is
for some time sharing because it's not easy. It's a great opportunity to get a proper power and Bambi Samba Nikata social media and the Banka Monitor program to proper power. Banya Tactica to jump. The two part Bumbo at the Pasha, Bating Bar the Pasha.
Great. The poor Kapai, Uncle and upon General Drumona. Overboard ambitious, Kukana the poets, Helako Mburoman, ambitious the poet. Uncle and ambitious, Maranama, work on a the poet.
Not poet.
Okay, then you shambala. So you body up the sports is next with the man same Barvic. Piano, Mansapunta to the Piano Senior when Kana Drumone, Money Yarmas and Kanachi, DJ Crotch, DJ Zio, Holic, and a false GH, the fastest and Kana Drumone, Timina Bantino Venga. So be my guest tomorrow. No one on course, but then sports number is Samana Puchampashama, Tukutu, Frank Pakawum Iba, Numba Shelle. But one thing, I don't know. I know the program. English on the program. Who's of listeners are the boy? I don't know. So, salam alaikum. If you are not saying I'm going to let you, don't come in here. Salam alaikum. Yeah.